Hello guys, Joe at Smokin Joe Spit Barbecue. Super exciting day for me today. I finally received my Snake River Farms Gold Wagyu Brisket 20 pounder and I'm going to unbox it for you guys, so stay tuned. Hello guys, Joe at Smokin Joe Spit Barbecue here. Look at these pork ends, guys. Alright guys, welcome back. So as I mentioned in my introduction, I received my free Snake River Farms Wagyu Gold Brisket. Super excited to do an unboxing for you guys. I did win this brisket on a radio show or a live show on YouTube that comes out every Tuesday on YouTube. I've been listening to the BBQ Central Show for quite a while now, and it's really interesting, especially if you're in barbecue. If you're into barbecue, they've got some of the top names in barbecue that come out there that talk about smokers. They have special guests. For example, they had Anella from Snake River Farms on the show, live on the show, and they gave away this Snake River Farms Gold Wagyu Brisket, and the first caller on the show did not get the answer that Greg, the question to the answer that Greg had asked, and I was the second caller. I had already given up hope because the phone was busy. I kept calling in, and when Greg picked up the phone, I thought, because there was kind of a delay, I didn't know it was me, but I was the second caller, and I got the answer correct, and here we are. This is what got me to this point. So if you guys are not subscribed to the BBQ Central Show, I will leave a link up here. I highly recommend that you jump in, again, especially if you're into barbecue, because they talk a lot about barbecue and the barbecue world and the things and the tools that are out there for us to use. So again, super excited to unbox this brisket. I did cook a Snake River Farms black brisket. I will also leave a link to that video up here so you guys can catch it. I compared the Snake River Farms against a prime brisket, and guys, the difference was pretty darn amazing. The Snake River Farms black was extremely good, really tender, really juicy, and I highly recommend that you try them out yourselves, spoil yourselves, do it for a party or any kind of special event. So, all right guys, let's get to it. So I was kind of nervous because I did receive this brisket today, and I saw it on my Ring camera, and the FedEx guy dropped it off, and I was like, oh my God, I'm so nervous. There's $250 sitting on my patio. We've all heard those stories or maybe seen videos of people stealing boxes from patios, and I was like nervous. It was around 2:30, and my daughter gets home from school at around 3:30, 3:45. So I was like, okay, I've got an hour, but I was panicking because it's a big black box. It's sitting in my front porch there, and I thought that somebody could easily come and take it. So I was extremely nervous. But as soon as my daughter got home, I called her and I said, is that box still there? She says, yes. I said, good, put it inside the house. So here we are. So gonna unbox it. And the very first thing, it looks like I have an invoice, but again, it was free. It was in transit for 3 days. And it is a Snake River Farms American Wagyu Gold 18 to 20 pounds. And it says, enjoy, thank you for your Snake River Farms purchase. Thank you, Snake River Farms, because I didn't purchase this. This was free. From our family to yours, we truly hope you enjoy our premium beef and pork products from the heart of the Northwest Snake River Farms team. Nice. It's a nice little note. So, wow, nice packaging. It's extremely cold still. And the first thing we have, is a bag that says "Now You're Cooking" from Snake River Farms. That's cool, and it's an insulated bag. Not sure if they do this with every order, but that's pretty neat. Thank you. Thank you, Greg and Anella, again from Snake River Farms. And got a cardboard box here. And there is the baby. Oh my Lord. So there is bags of dry ice, and as you can see, there's still plenty of dry ice in here. I'll have some fun with this later. Put in some water. But let's bring this baby out. Ooh, it's like frozen, solid. And we'll move this aside. Just put this on the floor here. All right, here we go. Snake River Farms, boneless Snake River Farms brisket, 18.2 pounds. And it does come wrapped in a gold net, if you will. And it's got this tag on it. It says Snake River Farms. And I'm sure that's something in Japanese, probably. Don't know what that says. But holy smokes, guys. This fat cap is like snow white. Look at this. I mean, it's frozen solid, so it's hard to really take a look at it. But that is the whitest fat cap that I've ever seen in my life. And they do hand trim their briskets, and I can tell you that I'm really impressed. I may not have to trim this, or I might do a competition cook. I'm still undecided what I'm going to do with this. But, man, look at this flap here. Again, guys, it's frozen. And it looks like they've got a couple of packets in here to kind of soak up any of the excess blood that they might have in the packaging, or juices, if you will. But here it is. So, guys, super excited to cook this for you guys. I don't know when I'm going to cook it, but when I do, you guys will get to see it on my channel. I don't know. I don't know what I'm going to do it for. My anniversary is coming up. Maybe it's my anniversary dinner. Maybe for a group of friends. But I will definitely let you guys know, and I will put this up on my channel. So if you're watching this video and you are not subscribed to my channel, please hit the subscribe button. Hit that little bell so you get notified whenever I do post up a new video. And if you have any comments, please leave them down below. Ask questions away. I'm also on Instagram under Smokin Joe's Pit Barbecue. You can send me messages there. I'm here to help you guys. So, guys, thanks for joining me again. Super excited about my Snake River Farms Gold Wagyu brisket, and I can't wait to share this video. Thanks for watching, guys. Until next time, Joe is Smokin Joe's Pit Barbecue. See ya.